In this video, we will be talking about the further functionality of the system. Previously, we talked about the domains, media, custom values, custom field, reputation management, phone number, calendar. And before that, another in video, we talked about how to set up your business profile, staff, and the pipeline. Let's go into the URL redirect. When you click on the URL redirect, you would be able to see the screen button. If you click on this, once you add your domain, you will see your domain and you select your path, and then wherever you want to redirect your traffic, so you can add the target URL, and once it's done, you can save it. So technically, what this functionality does is that if you want to let people see that they are going to your website, but eventually you want them to redirect to maybe some other website, your some other store link, or maybe your Amazon page. So this is the best way because you can also track their activity and also keep the it very compliant. Coming to the integration, interesting part where you should be spending some time when you're setting up your account. Make sure you set up your Google account so you can it can pull all of your Google My Business, Google Ads, or Google Analytics, as well as any of your calendars. Connect your Facebook and Instagram right in from this section. You can connect your QuickBooks. This will help you your tax calculation and your invoicing quite easily. Slio is something, if you're using, you should also take the advantage. Otherwise, you can move to the Stripe and the Shopify. Stripe is going to be your payment gateway, and the Shopify, definitely if you're running an e-commerce store. And if you are also very much into the TikTok advertising, this is the area. You can use the Slack integration to send some notification or even have a two-way sync as well. By default, if you do not enable the email service, then the system will do its own standard SMTP services. Otherwise, you can even add a dedicated domain as well. You have ability to manage your own reply and forward setting, where you can forward any email which is being coming in. It could be one email or it could be multiple emails. Once the you are done with that, you can also come and take a look at your email matrix. You can select it, your desired time frame, and see how your email has been doing it overall. Conversation provider is something which we discussed in a very first video in the platform introduction. If you have integrated the system, maybe your WordPress or your Facebook the page or the Instagram page, this section will show you that how you can use that for conversation purposes. Tags is something very powerful feature, just like a list in the some other platform. So the tag can be just a dynamic value, or it can be just a static value. You can assign it on your desired um, on your desired contact to make sure that it's segmented properly. Then the audit log is something, if you want, if you have some doubt on some activities going on, you can simply come in here and see that, okay, what happened, who did this at what time. So this is what the all the setup section is about, and we will come back with more videos. Thank you.